Okay, this is 2013 BC question number 5B. Okay, and I'd like us to try this question together. Now we are to copy and complete the magic square so that the sum of the numbers in each row, column, or diagonal is 18. So this is a column, this is a column, and this is a column. This is a row, this is a row, and this is also a row. If you talk about the diagonals, this is a diagonal, and this is also a diagonal. So the main focus of this question is that the rows here, we have 4 here. Whatever you find for this and that side, these 3 should sum up to give you 18. When it comes to the column, whatever you get for this, that, and that of this 7 should amount to 18. And if it's the diagonal, whatever you get for this, that, and that should also sum up to 18. If you work and you realize that the rows does not sum up to 18, then that means there is a problem somewhere. Okay, so the idea is to make sure that the rows, the columns, and the diagonals, each of them should amount to 18, as the question is expecting us to do. Okay, now let's start with this. You realize that let's start with this row because we have been given 2 numbers for the rows here. So we have this, we have this. We are only going to look for this side to complete this row. So we add 7 to 8. 7 plus 8 alone will give us 15. And it says that each row, column, or diagonal should amount to 18 or sum up to 18. So if you have 15, what number can be added to that 15 to give us the 18? And that is 3. If you add 3 to the 15, we can easily get our 18. So that means this side will be what? 3. If you add these 3 things, you will surely get our 18, right? Very good. We can equally find this side because we know this side and this side. And that is, we are dealing with one column. So we have this side, we have this side. So we can find this side. This is 8, this is 4. Let's sum 8 and 4 together. 8 plus 4 will give us what? 12. Am I right? Yes. So if you have in here and here amassing to 12, then what number can be added to that 12 to give us our 18? If you do the calculation, you will realize that you can get 6. If 6 is added to 12, you get 18. So this side can also give us our 6. Okay, now we can still work it out. We see, let's look at the diagonal form. We have this, we have this, we are looking for this side. So the moment you have 2 of them, you can easily find the last one. So we can say 3 plus 6 is 9. So what number can also be added to that 9 to give us our 18? And it's 9. If you add 9 to this 9, you get 18. So this side will also be what? 9. So that we can say that 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 3 give us our 18. Let's continue. We can look at this side and find this side as well. So we have 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So what number should be added to the 13 to give us the 18? Is 5. So we have here to be what? 5. You can find this side, you can find this side. Okay, so let's look at this side. This is 5, this is 3. Let's add them. 5 plus 3 is 8. What number can be added to the 8 to give us 18? That is 10. Okay, now to find this side, you can do it this way, you can do it this way. Any of them, you get the answer here. So if you have in here to be 10 and you have here to be 6, 10 plus 6 alone is what? 16. So what number can be added to the 16 to give us 18? And that number is 2. Okay, you would have also done it this way. 9 plus 7 is 16. So what number could have been added to the 16 to give us 18? And that is 2. By so doing, you have finished your magic square box. Very simple. Have a nice day.